there, friend. Welcome to Start Early today. Hope you're doing well wherever you may be. It's slightly raining, but we still decided to go out and walk, to observe, and to practice unconditionality with our practice. That it does not need to always be sunny for us to enjoy, and with a sense of equanimity and equal-mindedness, we just do the thing that is needed, which is to take the next step in front of us, just one foot in front of the other, and just to start moving despite the rain. And as our entry said the other day, the rains just get wet for a little bit, and to watch our reactions. Why are we so afraid of getting wet? And we go to the shower daily, and we do not resist. But when it's outdoors, we tend to shy away and hide. So, if you'd like to join me, I invite you to go out in the rain and just tune into the voice of nature. And you can hear the wind, birds are still flying. And although that the sun is not visible, we know that it's there, despite the clouds being above us, showering us with some water. We know that the sky is blue behind it. And the same goes with our awareness that deep-seated inside each and every one of us is a compassionate, peaceful being. Despite circumstances and despite all seeming problems, problems only arise because we think of them. But the truth of the matter is everything is complete. Everything is enough just as it is. May it be raining, may it be sunny, nothing is ever too good nor too bad. It's just a cycle. Everything is just cycling, just like your breath. Breathing in and breathing out, and much like our walking, just one step in front of the other. Nowhere to go, because you've always arrived. And knowing that each moment is correct enough and complete. Cultivating a sense of readiness to what is to arise. And whatever may arise, may we offer compassionate understanding. May we help its flourishing to become even more of what it is. Using goals as pointers as to where we should move next. Tuning into our intuitive self, what feels right, that out of our completeness, that is when and where we move out of your outpouring abundant love inside. Everything that we do is an outpour of what we already are. Make every move a gift, because the more we give, the more we receive, and much like nature, it just keeps on replenishing. It just keeps on renewing. Only if we are open. So open up the heart, tune into the beauty of nature, Tune into the power that is within yourself. Practice the power of choice. We can choose what we think, and what we think becomes our feelings, and your feelings becomes your character. Become your character. So today may we hold on to groundlessness. The dichotomy. Hold on to groundlessness. Tune into the centeredness. May we stand still in the middle of the crash of breaking worlds. All complexities, all seeming problems, all that limits you, frustrates you, overwhelm you. You can take a step back from it and just watch it and observe it. Also, be brave in feeling things. Let it run through you. And know that everything is impermanent. Everything is in passing. Everything will just process all the feelings. And most things that make us suffer is our resistance to feel things. But if you decide to immerse and dive in, most times we discover that it ain't no thing, that it's not a big deal, that we get to even forget about it and tune into what is more important, that is which is life itself. So may the rain moisturize your beingness. May it shower you with blessings. May we see the good and expand our minds that it's not just the rain is not only there to keep us indoors, it's there to nourish the whole planet. It's doing its thing, and it's no different than it beating your heart. It runs on an intelligence greater than our understanding, so may we surrender to the intelligence that is built in. The intelligence that is built in, and to truly find what really gives us life. Truly find what gives us energy, despite what we consume or what we read or what other people say. Make time to ask the innermost part of yourself on the right path or the right thing to do, where to invest our attention. For what we focus on expands and reality unfolds as we think it. So I'm just here to remind us all to think good and grow. Allow ourselves to grow in the most vibrant way. And mostly the thing that's getting or blocking us from that possibility is ourselves. It's the thinking mind. There's a greater intelligence that is bigger than our cerebral mind. It is some people call it the second brain, your intuition, your gut. So all we gotta do is project a calm smile and just cultivate a constant, perpetual alertness and readiness for things to come. Jiddu Krishnamurti said, I have no problems because I don't mind what's happening next. In not minding what's gonna happen next, you're just ready. You're ready, and you know and you have faith that you'll act and pick the right action. Much like a Alan Watts describes this one as in fencing. The guy just knows how to move naturally through repetition and practice. So practice you. Practice being yourself. How do you imagine yourself to be? First of all, you gotta feel that you are enough, that you are beautiful, that you are strong. And out of that confidence, you'll find a way to practice your beingness and imbue your suchness. And nobody can tell you how it is or what it is but you. People may suggest or impose, but nobody knows but you. So get to know yourself through asking beautiful questions, such as, what does enough mean for me? And what will happen? What does it need? What needs to happen? Or what shall I do? What does that look like if everything is complete in my life? How shall I be if everything is complete? And then watch your beautiful version emerge out of simplicity, out of love, out of givingness. The gift that you give yourself is the love that is so unique because you're the only one who knows it. So take a walk, get wet for a little bit and smell the flowers and appreciate the beauty and look up at the sky and let the rain wet your eye and see clearly. That's it for today. I hope you picked up something good. Like and subscribe. And if you want to support my work, feel free to get the book. It's called It's All in Your Head, Friend. Everything's a thought and thoughts can be changed. 200 ways of turning things around right this second, only if you want to. I like cool phrases and titles for they tell you the meaning. So, and these don't mean anything if we don't practice and embody it. So may you embody good today. Embody well. It's just becoming aware, becoming mindful of what's happening inside and outside of you. And it is fun because each day is anew. And much like a kid eager to play, he's always excited. And you are a creator, so may you create well today. That's it, my friend. Namaste.